How to download any attachment from your email by using webmail of Gmail. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. In this episode, we will be talking about how you can download any attachment from your email by using the webmail layout of Gmail. Webmail layout means after opening your browser, you need to go to gmail.com. From there, you can download the attachment. We will discuss on how you can download the attachment by using Gmail standard view. We have already knew that there are two views in Gmail. One is standard view and another is basic HTML view for lower internet connections. But we will be talking about the standard view. We have already made few videos about how to use Gmail with your computer. So if you didn't watch those videos, just check out that playlist from our channel. For this, I have already opened my email ID on a new browser, Brave browser, and
unread accessible computing. Download your free ebook as attachment 1142. Hello dear, please get your.
This is an email where an attachment is attached. So if you want to download this attachment, just open this email by pressing enter key.
Conversation opened. One red message. Main landmark.
So conversation opened. Now I'm pressing down arrow. Listen carefully.
Clickable button inbox. Clickable list with one graphic attachments. 1142 graphic attachments.
Attachments.
1142. 24 minutes ago.
This is the time and date.
Checkbox not checked. Not start. Button reply menu button to me. Menu button hello dear.
So I'm pressing down arrow, down arrow, down arrow.
Best accept visited link you accept best. Please get your
This
free
is
copy
the
from
mail,
this email.
the content of the mail. Then below
best
that,
access visited link telegram link Facebook link official web one attachment.
one attachment. Then below that,
bullet scan by mail.
scan by Gmail.
Graphic sub menu attachment. Graphic sub menu detect. Graphic sub menu group button add all to drive.
Add all to drive. If you click or enter here, so you all the files will be redirected to your drive and it will be saved to your drive. It's a similar option which you can find in your mobile in your Gmail application, save to drive. So if you want to save this file to drive, just press enter here or click here. Now I'm pressing down the row.
Link preview attachment useful websites for blind accessible computing.pdf.
This is the preview of, if you want you can preview by pressing here enter here. Now pressing down the row again.
Button download attachment useful websites for
Download
blind
attachment. So now if I press enter here,
save as dialog file name combo box collapse.
now the standard save dialog box is opened where from here I can easily save my document to my favorite directory.
Download.
This is how you can easily download the attachment. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, and if you visit first time this channel, don't forget to watch other videos and hit the subscribe button, press bell icon, choose all notification to get the latest posts. If you want to connect us, you can connect on Facebook, Telegram and WhatsApp group also. All the links are given in the video description. So if you want to know more how to upload the attachments by using Gmail standard view, then comment down below. We will be sharing a new video where we will discuss on that topic. Thank you for staying with us till the end. Thank you for watching this video. This is for the day. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye bye.